Hello everyone and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I haven't been able to upload every other day like I have been in the beginning. Things have been really crazy this month. I am going to be sharing with you 5 gifts that I think would be great for anyone in your life that is into skincare and looking good, feeling good. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Culture and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. This is my Vlogmas series, so if you enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I post my videos. And now let's go ahead and start with my gift guide. So the first thing I have here is this Jade Roller. If someone you know loves skincare, this is just a really cool tool to have if you are into skincare. Some people use them in the morning to help with their puffiness, rolling it around their face when it's nice and cold. So you can keep this in the refrigerator or just in your vanity, doesn't matter. It just feels really good in the morning. And also after you put all of your skincare on, you can roll this on your face to help all of those skincare products really push into your skin. I really enjoy using it. It just feels really good on the face. And I'm not joking, I actually can put my daughter to sleep. She actually is a really good sleeper, but sometimes she says, "Mommy, can you massage my face with the roller thing?" So I'll take this side right here and I will put her to sleep just simply by rolling this on her face right here underneath her nose. I don't push too hard. I just simply roll it on her face, right here and then along her eyebrows, and she falls asleep within a few minutes. So that is the first gift. And you can find these really anywhere. You can find them on Amazon. I got mine through a FABFITFUN box. So I will link some products that I found on Amazon that are similar to this one. So the next is a Clarisonic Brush. I bought this probably a couple of years ago. This is the Clarisonic Mia. This is a perfect size. I don't need anything smaller or bigger. It's great to travel with. You use this to cleanse your skin even more. Turn on the brush and it vibrates and it just gets all of the bristles really deep into your pores so you can get a very, very clean face. Any makeup, sunscreen, products, all that stuff can get pushed out with this little tool here. And I know that they have different versions of this that you can find really anywhere, again, anywhere, but I love my Clarisonic and I am going to be purchasing the silicone brush head that I found on Amazon. I didn't even know they made that, so I'm gonna be buying that for myself. Merry Christmas to me. Instead of using these brushes here, which you have to replace every so often, getting the silicone brush head is gonna be better than these because that way you can literally clean the silicone and know that it's gonna be thoroughly cleaned and you can use it every single time instead of replacing it. And I think those are about $35 on Amazon as well. So I'll link this one below. I'll try to find the lowest price on Amazon for you guys. I bought this for myself for Christmas a couple years ago when it was on sale. I've loved it ever since, so I know your person will too. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep continuing with the actual skincare, and this is definitely a very nice gift to give to somebody who loves skincare. This is the NuFace Trinity device, and if you're not familiar with this, this works by placing it on your skin, and it has these like electrical pulses that work together, and you use some type of gel to help the conductivity, and then you put it on your skin. You can put it along your face, along your neck. A really great place that I love it for is my forehead, and it's supposed to help tighten and reduce the look of wrinkles and just like sagging. So this is going to be a really great gift for somebody that you know would love something like this. So they can run a couple $100. Again, I'll try to find the cheapest price online and link it down below. This is the NuFace Trinity, and what happens is you can actually move this top part and put on other attachments for other parts of your face. For example, I want to get the one that has 2 really small nodes, and that way you can get really close to your eyes and then in between your eyes, just anywhere you feel like maybe this is too much, too aggressive for your face, and you want the 2 little nodes instead. There are a couple of modes, so you can go from like the weakest power to the strongest power, and everyone's going to have different results, but I personally have seen results with this little device, but you have to be consistent in using it. This is a little bit of a splurge, but if somebody that you know really wants something like this, I would say get it for them. I did get mine through FABFITFUN, but it was through like an edit sale, so it was seriously discounted. If it's available still on FABFITFUN, I will link that down below as well. And then it will come with a gel, its own NuFace gel to use on your skin. But this was a recommendation through another video that I saw of somebody else using NuFace. This is Spectra 360 gel. This is what they use when someone's getting an ultrasound. You get a giant tub of this on Amazon. I personally like this one better than the gel that NuFace makes because it's thicker, and obviously you get so much more in this tube, and I've been using it off and on for a couple months now, and there's still so much left in here. So if they're curious about getting the NuFace and then the gel, I would suggest to get them this one here, which is on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Okay, so next I have a product that I've mentioned in the past. This is a company that I worked with before. I also mentioned them in a video last year around this time, and it's a product that I still use and love, and it is Sahml Brilliant. It's an at-home teeth whitening kit that you do all at home, and they send you this little box. They give you these little pastes that you can create your own molds in your teeth. You send these back, and then they'll send you your very own whitening trays, just like you would get at the dentist office. So it's very professional. Here are my molds for my teeth. So when I go ahead and put the teeth whitening gels in there, this is molded to my teeth. It's gonna fit perfectly. I whiten my teeth a couple times a year whenever I feel like they're starting to look a little more yellow than usual, or I just feel like I need a refresh. These work so good. I went to my dentist office and they were doing some work. I had to replace the crown, and they were trying to find the match for the crown because my teeth were so white that they had to find like the whitest crown that they had. They couldn't believe how white my teeth were. Having your own dentist tell you, wow, your teeth are so white, we're going to have to go through our inventory to see if we can find a crown that is just as white as your normal teeth. That is a plus. And then they also have a desensitizing gel. Sahml Brilliant is also offering my viewers a 15% off code, so you can find that code here, or I'll leave it down below as well. And they are also doing a special giveaway, so it's so easy to enter. You just go down the description box, click the link for the giveaway, go there, enter some information, and a winner will be picked. And hopefully it will be you. You can choose to keep those products or gift it to somebody that you love. And then lastly, along the same lines of teeth, last year I gifted my husband this Burst toothbrush. He has the black one, and then I have the white one. These toothbrushes were all over social media, and I had to find out if they were really good for what they did. People were claiming that this was the best toothbrush that they've ever owned, that their teeth have never felt so clean. Even I think Khloe Kardashian is a spokesperson for them. There was a challenge where they had a corn on the cob that was covered in, I don't know if it was black charcoal, and they used a couple different brushes along with the Burst toothbrush, and the Burst toothbrush results were the most clean. So I found a coupon code on YouTube, which I'll share also down below so you can use it too, and it made these brushes so affordable, and yet they clean our teeth so good. You can also get replacement heads for your toothbrushes. Every so often you can put yourself on like a regular schedule and getting them directly from Burst. My teeth are super white thanks to Sahml Brilliant, but I can also maintain them with these toothbrushes. This top circle right here is actually their whitening setting. You could hear it go. And then they also have a setting for sensitive teeth, which is the next one right here. And then they have one that's called Burst, and you can hear it. And I use that if I feel like I can't get to like the back teeth well enough. So I put it on that, it kind of blasts that area and gets all that gunk out. And then each toothbrush head is, I don't know, I think it's like $6. So very reasonable, because if you go out and buy a toothbrush on your own, you're going to spend that much anyways on a toothbrush. So these make really great gifts. You're not spending $300 on a super expensive toothbrush that is probably gonna work just as well as this one. So that's the end of this video. I hope I gave you guys some really great ideas for that person in your life that loves to take care of their skin, loves to take care of their teeth. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Bye.